Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a silver paint finish and is the custom Trail Boss trim. It includes features such as our black aluminum rims, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines and trailer assist, a trailer package with our integrated trailer brake controller and our auto locking rear differential, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now inside the front of our Silverado, we can see the chrome door handle. Just beyond that, we have our door locks. Moving down, we have all of our powered mirror controls, our rear window locks, as well as our powered window controls with one touch up and down front driver window. Moving down to the bottom of the door panel, we have some additional storage. Up to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode, as well as our drivetrain select. Just below that, we have all of our lighting control, including our cluster gauge lighting. Moving up to the middle, we have our cluster gauge with digital information system in the middle. Moving to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise control settings. Across to the middle, we have our infotainment system with our touch screen, as well as our Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Just below, we have some additional controls on top of what we have inside of our touch screen. Moving down, we have our single zone front climate control. And at the bottom, we have our downhill park assist, our hazard lights, as well as our ABS. Then we have our trailer brake controller, a USB plug, as well as a 12-volt plug. Moving to our center console, we have a foldable center console. We can see that we have some storage, cup holders, and then some additional storage, as well as a spot to put our phones. That folds up easily with a hand and offers a third central seating. And we can once again fold it down with a pull of a latch. Moving to the passenger seat, we can see that they are featured in a black cloth material. Then lastly, above our rear view mirror, we have our rear cabin check, as well as our lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, we can see that we have our Z71 badging, which indicates our off-road package. Moving down, we can see our black aluminum tires, as well as our 2-inch factory lift. Moving up, we have a black finish outside mirror, as well as black finish door handles. To the back of the vehicle itself, we can see that we have our corner steps. We have our trailer hitch with our connectors above it. Back of the vehicle, we have our Silverado and custom badging in chrome. We can see that we have our backup camera on the left-hand side. Opening it up, we can see that we have an aluminum bed liner, as well as our soft cover. Now into the back of the Silverado. Once again, we can see the chrome door handle, the window control, as well as some extra storage in the bottom. Moving inside the vehicle itself, we can see our vent below our center console. But we can see our 3 seats in the back, once again, in our black cloth. And we do have fold flat seating in our second row. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.